Oh yeah, burnouts will do that to you. That's crazy.
Literally leaking from everywhere possible. Holy dude.
Had to get the wide body, huh?
Nah, yeah, got to. That's mandatory. How you doing, fam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming out, my boy.
Yes, sir.
So the edges of the tires are fucked up. So
Oh, like was it leaking through here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I might be able.
If it's all fucked up, then I'll just get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? Realistically, I'm just gonna keep this to burn it. But if it's not, then.
But the idea, but you're keeping this tire on this wheel. Like if the tire's good.
Yeah.
Or?
If actually no, if the tire's good, I want to take it off.
Oh, bet. What the fuck?
Literally leaking from everywhere possible. Holy dude.
Oh yeah, burnouts will do that to you. That's crazy.